Many young people in Kenya dream of starting an online business because it gives freedom, flexibility, and the opportunity to earn money without renting an expensive shop. In recent years, online selling has become one of the fastest-growing ways of doing business in the country. More people now use smartphones, social media, and mobile money services every day. Because of this, a beginner can start selling products online with very little capital and still reach customers from Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru, Eldoret, and many other towns. Online selling is not only for big companies. Even a person with one product can begin and grow slowly into a successful business owner. Some people start by selling clothes, shoes, handbags, phone accessories, beauty products, kitchen items, or electronics. Others sell food, snacks, digital products, handmade crafts, or offer services online. The good thing about online business is that you can start small and expand as your profits increase. One of the first things every beginner should understand is that online selling is not quick money. Some people think they will post products today and become rich tomorrow. In reality, online business needs patience, consistency, and good customer service. Many successful Kenyan online sellers spent months building trust before they started making large profits. The people who succeed are usually the ones who continue learning and improving even when sales are slow. Choosing the right product is one of the most important steps. A beginner should choose products that people already want to buy. There is no need to force customers to love something they do not need. Before buying stock, it is wise to research the market. Visit social media pages, online marketplaces, and e-commerce websites to see what people are buying often. If many people are asking about a product, that is usually a good sign. Fashion products remain very popular in Kenya because people always need clothes, shoes, and accessories. Beauty products are also growing quickly because many young people care about skincare and appearance. Phone accessories such as chargers, earphones, phone covers, and smartwatches also sell well because smartphones are now part of daily life. Home products like bedsheets, curtains, kitchen tools, and storage items continue to attract many buyers online. A beginner should avoid buying too much stock at the beginning. It is safer to start small. For example, a person can start with stock worth 10,000 Kenyan shillings instead of spending 100,000 Kenyan shillings immediately. Starting small helps reduce risk while allowing the seller to learn the business. As sales increase, profits can then be used to buy more stock. Many online sellers in Kenya begin their businesses through social media platforms because they are free and easy to use. Facebook remains very powerful because millions of Kenyans use it daily. Facebook Marketplace allows sellers to post products directly to people nearby. Instagram is excellent for fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products because it focuses heavily on photos and videos. TikTok has also become extremely powerful because short entertaining videos can quickly go viral and attract thousands of potential customers. WhatsApp Business is one of the best tools for beginners. It allows sellers to communicate directly with customers, share product photos, and organize orders professionally. A seller can create a business profile, upload a catalog, set automatic replies, and label customers according to their orders. Many Kenyan customers prefer ordering through WhatsApp because it feels more personal and convenient. Good product photos are extremely important in online selling. Customers cannot touch or inspect products physically, so they depend heavily on pictures. Poor quality images make buyers lose trust quickly. Clear and bright photos help products appear more professional. A beginner does not necessarily need an expensive camera because modern smartphones can take very good photos. Natural lighting during daytime can improve picture quality significantly. It is also important to show products from different angles. If someone is selling shoes, customers should see the front, side, and sole. If someone is selling handbags, customers should see the inside compartments and straps clearly. Honest photos help build trust because customers receive products that match what they saw online. Product descriptions should also be simple and clear. Customers need important information before making a purchase. The description should include size, color, material, price, and key benefits. For example, if selling a jacket, the seller can explain whether it is warm, waterproof, lightweight, or suitable for cold weather. Good descriptions help customers make faster decisions. Pricing is another area where many beginners make mistakes. Some people set prices too high and scare away customers. Others sell too cheaply and end up making losses. A seller should calculate all costs carefully before deciding the final selling price. Costs may include buying stock, transportation, packaging, internet bundles, advertising, and delivery expenses. For example, if a handbag costs 2,000 Kenyan shillings from the supplier, transport costs 300 Kenyan shillings, packaging costs 100 Kenyan shillings, and advertising costs 400 Kenyan shillings, then the total cost becomes 2,800 Kenyan shillings. If the seller wants a profit of 1,200 Kenyan shillings, the bag should be sold for about 4,000 Kenyan shillings. Many beginners forget about delivery costs. Delivery plays a very important role in online business success. Customers want fast and reliable delivery. Delays and poor communication can make customers lose trust quickly. Sellers should always communicate clearly about delivery timelines. If delivery will take 2 days, the customer should know in advance instead of waiting without updates. Several courier services operate in Kenya today. Some online sellers use boda riders for nearby deliveries, while others use courier companies for up-country deliveries. Reliable delivery services help businesses appear more professional. Packaging is also important because damaged products can create angry customers and bad reviews. Trust is one of the biggest challenges in online selling because some buyers fear scams. Many people have lost money through fake online sellers. Because of this, new businesses must work harder to prove they are genuine. Posting real customer reviews helps build confidence. Replying politely and professionally also makes customers feel safe. A seller should never ignore customer messages. Even when busy, responding quickly increases the chances of making sales. Many customers buy from the seller who replies first. Good communication creates a positive experience and encourages repeat customers. Online sellers should also learn basic marketing skills. Marketing is what brings customers to the business. Without marketing, even the best products may remain unsold. Posting consistently on social media helps people remember the brand. A seller can post product videos, customer testimonials, behind-the-scenes content, or educational tips related to the products. Videos usually perform better than photos because they attract more attention. A short video showing how a product works can increase customer interest quickly. For example, a seller of kitchen blenders can create a short video preparing juice or smoothies. A beauty seller can demonstrate skincare routines using the products. Paid advertising can also help businesses grow faster. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow sellers to run affordable advertisements targeting specific audiences. Even 500 Kenyan shillings per day can help attract new customers. Beginners should start with small budgets while learning how advertisements work. Another important factor is consistency. Many people start online businesses with excitement but give up too quickly. Some post products for 1 week and disappear for several months. Customers trust businesses that appear active and reliable. Consistent posting keeps the business visible and increases the chances of making sales. A beginner should also keep proper records. Tracking income and expenses helps the seller know whether the business is making profits or losses. Some people receive money every day but still struggle financially because they do not monitor their spending. Writing down every expense and every sale helps improve financial management. Saving profits is very important. Instead of spending all profits immediately, smart sellers reinvest money back into the business. Reinvestment may include buying more stock, improving packaging, running advertisements, or purchasing better equipment. Businesses grow faster when profits are used wisely. As the business grows, creating a website becomes a good idea. A website increases professionalism and allows customers to place orders directly online. It also helps businesses appear on search engines such as Google. Many customers trust businesses with websites because they look more established. Search engine optimization is becoming increasingly important for online businesses. This simply means creating content that helps people find the business through search engines and artificial intelligence tools. Product titles and descriptions should include words that customers are likely to search online. For example, instead of writing only shoes, a seller can write affordable women's sneakers in Nairobi. Clear descriptions improve visibility. Online sellers should also focus on customer experience. Happy customers often return and refer others. Offering polite service, Quick responses, honest communication, and quality products creates loyal buyers. Word of mouth remains very powerful in Kenya. A single satisfied customer can bring many more buyers. Scams are another issue beginners should understand. Some fake buyers send edited payment messages pretending they have paid. Sellers should always confirm payments directly through mobile money statements or banking applications before dispatching products. Being careful protects the business from losses. Competition in online business continues increasing every year. Because of this, sellers must find ways to stand out. Some businesses offer free delivery within certain areas. Others provide discounts, loyalty rewards, or special packaging. Creativity can help attract more customers. Learning never stops in online business. Digital trends change quickly. Social media algorithms change. Customer preferences change, and new technologies continue appearing. Successful sellers stay updated and adapt quickly. Watching educational videos, attending workshops, and reading business articles can help beginners improve their skills. Patience is very important because some businesses take time before becoming profitable. There may be days with no sales at all. That does not mean failure. Many successful businesses experience slow beginnings before growing steadily. Persistence often separates successful entrepreneurs from those who quit early. One inspiring thing about online selling in Kenya is that many successful businesses started from very humble beginnings. Some sellers started with a single product, small savings, or borrowed smartphones. Through consistency and determination, they built profitable brands that now employ other people and serve customers nationwide. Technology continues creating new opportunities for entrepreneurs. More Kenyans are shopping online than ever before. Mobile money services have made payments easier, while social media has simplified marketing. Artificial intelligence tools are also helping businesses improve customer service and product discovery. These changes create excellent opportunities for beginners willing to learn and work hard. A person does not need to be perfect before starting. Waiting for perfect conditions often leads to endless delays. Starting small and improving gradually is usually better than waiting forever. Mistakes will happen, but every mistake teaches valuable lessons that improve future decisions. Online selling can transform lives when done correctly. It can provide income, independence, and personal growth. Many young people in Kenya are now using online businesses to support themselves, pay school fees, help their families, and achieve financial freedom. The journey may not always be easy, but with patience, honesty, and consistency, success is possible. The future of online business in Kenya looks very promising. More consumers continue embracing digital shopping every year. Businesses that focus on trust, quality, customer service, and innovation are likely to succeed. Beginners who start learning and building today may become some of the biggest online entrepreneurs in the future.